Hi guys, this is your Pradyumna and today's unboxing is all about EPSON ECO l3150 ink tank Wi-Fi enabled printer. I bought it from Amazon at a price range of 13,500. Come, let's unbox the package and see what all the items we get inside the package. We get a CD, let's see what all we get inside the package. Now we get a ink bottles, a charging cable and a printer itself. The multiple tapes are there on the package. Let's remove all the tapes. The tapes are provided to ensure the package is safe. Now let's come to the connection. We get a USB cable inside the package. I will show you how to connect it to the printer. Just turn on the printer. You will get a port there. As you can see, just plug into that port and connect your USB to your system or PC or wherever you want. Now let's also connect the charging cable. The port is also given there itself. Plug the switch now. Now let's open the ink bottles which are given in the package. It's very easy to fill the ink as all the ink bottles are spill proof. No leakage will be there. Just open the ink bottle. I will show you. Just place on the lid which is given there. Follow the same procedure for yellow, pink as well as blue. After filling the ink, just close the lid of a ink tank. Now let's open the accessories which are given inside the package. We get a CD, a warranty card, a manual, No need to worry about the installation. Please call to the toll-free number. A person will be coming to your home itself and installing and giving everything you want. Now let me connect to my mobile. Just click on the I button. You will get a printout there. A password as well as your user ID will be given there. If you want to connect your mobile, click on the Wi-Fi as well as the I button. Wi-Fi direct will be enabled there itself. Now let me show you how to connect there. Password is also before only given there. Let me take a printout and show you. The main advantages of this printer are you can print 4500 pages of a black, and a color printout you can take a 7000 pages. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.